So make it first one line over here. Okay, first one line over here, draw with me beta, and make another line like this. Okay, and after that this is first tree, this two line, and you can go ahead here. After the tree I just make it one branch of tree like this. Okay, here. So this is tree, and that tree, this is a root. We make a root like this. So this is a big tree. Okay, beta, it's a big tree. It's a big tree, beta. The huge big tree. And you make it here after that the like this type of grasses. Okay beta, aram se. Okay, we make some grasses over here so it looks more jungle kind of things. Okay, I make here more jungle kind of. Okay, grasses. I make here also grasses. Okay beta, see, I just make the grass here. Understood? Srijani, you start beta. Yeah, fine. What happened yesterday? You not join class beta? Oh, okay. So now after that we are making here. Understood, Drishya, Yalini and Niharika, just wait 2 minutes. You will finish already, I know. Just Drishya and Srijani join later on, so you can just one brief giving. Make it Drishya, then making the background in straight line because it's a river. Better take pencil and start line. Like this, okay? Understood? Drishya, show your drawing how much you finish. You're not sitting, you should finish. Sorry beta. Okay, you finish that much? That much finish beta? Yeah, I can start the previous drawing beta. Here. I same thing I am using here only, okay Niharika? I do here only, don't worry. I make same things over here. Drishya, do beta little fast because other students are waiting. Join 6 o'clock, okay beta? 6 o'clock to 7 every Sunday. So I make the land, background land, okay, over here, and make a coconut tree like this. One, 2, 3, 4, like this coconut tree, okay? Make it coconut tree like this. Okay, so we can make it now. After that, here also one tree I create here, okay? Here make is one tree. Okay, this is like one tree like this. One, here one branch. Okay, this is the one tree I create here. Okay, beta. So this is also one tree. Here also create a one tree like this. Okay, beta. Hi, Shanjita. Good evening. Draw this. Good evening, beta. Start the drawing. We are making the today. We are making scenery. Okay. So one. Drisha done, beta. Drisha. Yeah, make more grasses here and there so it's look more compact. Okay, I make like this. Like this. Yalini, just you asked the Mokilan join this month or is continue next month or something? Exam is going on.
I'll ask.
So you can make it like that. My drawing is almost finished. We can start the color.
I'll tell you, my mom's just gonna check with
Sorry, beta.
um, my mom's gonna just check with Muhilan's mom.
Okay, fine. Okay. I tell the color name. Okay, let's start the color now. So this is the scenery. We can mix in this scenery one small animals also put, but not now. Later on, one animals also put. Okay. This is we are creating some. Yes. I tell you. I tell you. Wait. Wait. I tell you. I make one on character. I show one character over here, so draw this character. It looks more. Yeah, here I erase little bit of space, and I creating a character like this. Make a nice character like this. Okay. Yeah, I can make rabbit, but I draw here one like a fog. See, this is like a fog kind of character. Okay, this is mouth. Okay, make it simple, not complicated, very simple. Okay, this is a character. This is the eyes, big eyes, and this is the hand. Okay, one hand is like this, and one hand is like this. Very simple hand like this. Okay, it's just some character. Okay, so it's more looks more live this scenery. Okay, so we used to go now. Color start. Do the color with me. Okay, step by step. So it's easier for
Dad,
you.
Dad,
Yes, beta.
so Muhilan is traveling this month, so he might come next month because he's traveling.
Might some next week, right?
Yeah, like no, this month he's traveling, so he'll probably come next week.
Okay,
Next
beta. Fine.
Next month he'll probably come, but if he doesn't, I'll just confirm if they're going still still going or not because he travels a lot this month.
Okay, travels a lot. What kind of travels you feel? Travels?
Like,
Traveling? Okay. Okay, let's start color. We can maybe next week. So here, let's start color. Okay, now. Okay, beta. So we are starting color over here. Yellow ochre. Step by step, I tell that color name and port. You are also start doing the same. Okay. So we are making here. Uh, okay, we are making here the tree. Here also tree, and background also we are creating the uh, tree. Like here and there also tree. The background. Okay. Here also tree, small tree I do in background, the back sides. Okay. So first start color from here. Okay. Let's I show how to do color. Okay. First take the color yellow ochre. I take yellow ochre. First we are put the this color. Its color name is yellow ochre, beta. Yellow ochre. If you use camel raw color, that number is 492. It's yellow ochre. Just first put. We are giving first. Sorry, beta. No, it's if you use a camel color, camelin, that is camel is the same number of every country. This is color code for camel company. They're using this code. But if you buy Faber-Castell or another company, it is not same color code. Every color has some code, and that is maintained through all over world. Whatever if
sir, is this the yellow ochre for
yeah, yes, sorry, beta.
Is this the yellow ochre 492 and it's a yellow ochre this one?
Yes, this one, beta. This one yellow color. So very simple. First put the yellow ochre full tree. Not complicated. First do like this. आराम से do this. हो गया ना? Yes, बेटा. कैसे? Sorry, बेटा. Yes. So make it after the brown. If this color is done, we are making this second tone with this brown sienna. Okay, make it the second tone.
Sir, what number?
This number is brown sienna, and number is 028 if we use this in camel company. 028 beta.
Oh, is it brown or?
It's a brown. Yeah. Yeah. No? And you can mark with a finger if possible, so it looks more nice. Yes, beta, tell me. First yellow ochre, then brown sienna. आराम से शो ड्राइंग इफ यू नो. Niharika, Drisha, beta. If you show, then I can give the correction. If you are doing wrong, I can tell you. Yes, nice, nice, beta. Yalini, Srijani, show Srijani, Sanjita, how much you progress. I can see that, and I can give. Okay, please show after few minutes, so I can give the your ideation. Okay, Drisha, it's nice going on. Drisha, do. Yeah, like this. Okay. So make it patiently करना पड़ेगा. You can. The color name is the sky blue. This or light blue. Yeah. Show beta. Show. Your 239. Yeah. This color only, beta. 239. Niharika understood, beta. Yes, beta. Make it like a painting kind of. Fill the color first with the sky and green. Okay, we are making some jungle scenes. Sanjita beta, if you are showing, if you make something, you can show me, then I can give the feedback. If something is wrong, I can tell you how to correction is. You first do the pencil drawing, okay beta? So in top of the sky, I move the second tone with this color. This is cobalt blue. I using little cobalt blue. Okay. I using little cobalt blue also. So put the little depth of jungle. Yes, beta. So I'm using oil pastel. Yes. Using oil pastel. And then here we are making aram se, okay? Then do this tree with the green color. Green and yellow occur where this is color of green. It's a sap green. It's number 391. कुछ चाहिए क्या? जाएगा हाँ बेटा हाँ अगर खरीद सक तो मैं खरीद ही लेंगे एक्चुअली मुझे कुछ चाहिए मैं भूल जाता हूँ खरीद हाँ बेटर मैं तो पैसा इसको दे रहा हूँ so make it green color for that yes beta yeah this is deep green color beta Niharika you can show yours you sorry just okay fine yes
Sir,
Yeah.
what's the color?
Very nice,
for the
Sanjita.
tree,
Very good,
second
beta.
tree?
Start color. Very nice, Sanjita.
Sir, what's the color for the second tree?
This tree, beta, this green and yellow ochre. Sap green and yellow ochre. Okay. So I can create over here green color only. Okay. The background almost a green color only. It just looks nice.
Okay, sir.
This is I using green color. Okay. Yes, beta. অপূর্ব খুব সুন্দর হয়েছে You understood what I tell? I tell excellent is too good. Yes. Yes, beta. This is green and yellow ochre. This green color first put and after. Yeah, make it nicely, beta. Make it nicely, not each and every. Yes. Under the tree. This one. Yellow ochre. Here. This is Viridian green. The color name, blue color shades. You can use that green, deep green, 108. Green 108, and then I put the Prussian blue. We can make it here also same color. हाँ शतशी अगर स्क्रू भी मिलेगा ना छोटा वाला थोड़ा ज़्यादा लेकर आ सकते क्योंकि लगेगा मुझे स्क्रू हाँ ओ हो ठीक है ओके ठीक yes beta, here also the same color, green and yellow ochre. हाँ आराम से करो कलर पूरा लाइक दृश्य कलर पूरा फिलअप करो बेटा स्काई ब्लू ना ये जो ग्रीन का एकदम ऊपर तक आ जाएगा ये कलर पूरा फिल करो ऐसे एम्प्टी मत रखो कोई जगह पे भी एम्प्टी मत रखो बेटा डोंट पुट एम्प्टी एनीवेयर this is light flash tint color beta flash tint color number I tell you 128 Okay.
Sir, for the pathway, is it, what color is it?
Yes. Yes, sorry, beta. Yalini, what to tell?
What color is it for the pathway?
That leaf?
No, for the pathway.
This one? Leaf, beta.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is sand actually. Sand color I using this flash color. This is sand and then brown. First flesh tint, 128 flesh tint color I apply, and then I put the brown. Yes, beta. Blue color you can use sky blue rabbit. Yes. Beta, tell me. Yes, Sujani. Yes, beta. Live. Uh, yeah, I can go live. Sometimes I streaming live. You tell live streaming, right? Yeah. Okay, fine. But how you know when I live? Okay, that time you notifications. Yeah, I used to planning. Yeah, I used to planning to live, but still not yet start. Not start yet. I start definitely. This is I I make some portrait, but sculpting, but my Canon camera is not work that time, so I live and again, yeah, zoom out. Oh, that time use tha na? Sorry, beta. Yeah, yes. So you visit marketing yesterday? You were visiting market yesterday and not? Oh, friends. They are only in your nearby. Oh, today? No, I don't know. Friendship day today? Oh my god, I don't know. I forgot. Yes, beta, green color. This is green color, beta. Oh, yes, yes. Okay. Are you using? Yes, beta, please. Here, you would bring. Oh, nice. You should continue color more dark tone, brown and all blue. It's nice going on. Yes. You need to you need more color. Put the more deep green. I see. I using the deep green, Prussian blue. It looks more nice. It's not that nice. When you put all those colors, then it looks more nice. Better. Dark green, dark blue. Yeah, I'm a painting actually mounting in wall actually. You have all painting, na? Yeah, watercolor, paint, charcoal. Oh, you see this video, last watercolor video? Okay. I make video watercolor only for you. You can start getting inspiration and start is so we are making here second tone. Do this here also. Second tone. This tree I put some dark color, brown, dark brown. This tree is very font, so it is. I do this dark brown, and this tree I put deep green. You yes, sorry, rabbit. What do you say, Dishya? We can create this. One tree is left over here. Like this. No, no.
Won't be any problem also.
No problem.
Going means half screw only going inside.
Okay.
Another outside, half not going.
Okay.
Because they're very big.
Oh, right. Okay, this is the issue. Okay. No problem. Hi Parth, just wait few minutes. Huh? Yeah, no, that's fine, that's fine. It's okay, no problem. Yeah. Yes, yes, this is okay. Now, we'll make its character like this. This is bunch of animals. Part just wait few minutes, beta. We'll start class 7:15 for the intermediate batches. You wait 15 minutes. Yes, beta. 7:15 we'll start the class. No, 7:15 to 8:45. Okay. Yeah. Just finish it first, then we can